Afternoon, YouTubers. I think I got enough tools here to start. Gonna cut the wires off on these things first with mini bolt cutters. They put real soft baling wire on these. And when I'm shopping, I look for a lot of growth coming out of my, that way I know that they at least got some watering. $9.97. New York tax. 4 bushes, $4.43. We're starting with Phyllis Diller. This is the bigger, older. You know, some of these are smaller. This one's probably a lot older. Probably been down in Texas there for a good number of years. And everything I got out of Texas is packed in sawdust. Sawdust or wood chips. Alright, I like to knock that junk off. Ooh, there's a valuable tool I dropped in here. Okay, that's some of the recycled potting soil I got for free at the curb. So I'm going to stick that down in there and add a shitload more. Little H2O. I got holes drilled in the bottom of these buckets. They're 2-gallon paint buckets. All right, another Phyllis Diller. She had a very loud laugh. I'm old enough to remember what she looked like. She's like a precursor to Joan Rivers. Oh, this one's got a lot of white roots in there. That's how you know it's growing, baby. I think I could put this one in a smaller bucket. But I'm going to throw this piece of blue jeans on there. Get some dirt in here. I dropped that thing in. Son of a gun. I thought I brought my trowel over somewhere. Do a little twist in there. All right, where'd the trowel go? I don't know. Oh, there it is. Hiding behind the lid. What was that? No, she got tired. She went to bed. She had a very busy day. I can get her. My neighbor's looking for my dog. She got more friends than I do. Am I gonna what? I did it last fall. I tilled it up.
Okay,
Why, you got a tiller?
right now, yeah.
I got one too. I don't know if it'll start.
This one I know
All right, YouTubers, you don't need to see me finish the process on two more. Happy gardening.